Hey barbecue family, this is Kenyatta Robinson. Welcome to my Backyard Smokemaster Barbecue channel. Today's video will be a little bit different from the others. I wanted to take some time out to answer a question that I've been receiving from many of the folks who follow my channel on a regular basis, and that question is, have I received my replacement Weber Summit Kamado grill? The short answer is no. I have not yet received it, and I just wanted to fill you guys in on what's been happening. So I am recording this on Sunday, February the 7th, 2021. It's also Super Bowl Sunday. So earlier today, in the video that you see, is a time lapse of my cook from earlier. I did barbecue beef short ribs on my Weber Summit Kamado, and then after that I did some grilled lemon pepper wings, and I split that cook. I did half of the wings on my Summit Kamado, the other half on my Kamado Joe. So back on February the 15th, I received a phone call from the Vice President of Customer Experience at Weber, who explained to me how they were going to replace all of the original Weber Summit Kamados that had been previously sold. He advised that by mid-January, he expected the replacement Summit Kamado grills to be available, and he said that the wobbly stand issue would be completely rectified when they were ready to begin shipping out the updated grills. The grill is to be shipped to me. Actually, I should say the grill is to be shipped to a vendor who will then assemble the grill and then contact me to set up a time and date for the replacement grill to be delivered to my home. So this conversation took place back on December 15th. On January 21st, the same VP contacted me via email, and he advised that my replacement grill had shipped and that I should receive a call from Weber's Northern California partner within 7 days to set up the delivery to my home. So I waited a little over a week before I reached out again to Weber to follow up. Basically, between January 21st and February 1st, I had been seeing on social media where a number of other people who are in the same situation as I had actually begun receiving their replacement grills. And, all of them had been indicating that the replacement grills met their satisfaction, that the wobbly stand issue had been completely corrected, as Weber had apparently added a bracket to the triangular portion of the stand at the bottom of the stand. And they also increased the size of the caster wheels. Along with that bracket, produced a much sturdier grill. So other folks have been receiving their grills, and of course I was wondering, where is my grill, because I had not heard anything else from Weber, nor had I heard from their Northern California partner. So on February 1st, I followed up with the Weber VP on the status. He said that his tracking system showed that my replacement delivery, or that my replacement grill had been delivered to the Weber partner on January the 22nd. And he assured me that he would follow up with that person to find out what was going on. I didn't hear anything for a couple more days. So on February 3rd, I followed up again. By February 4th, I finally heard back from the Weber VP, and I also heard from the Weber partner in Northern California, and they both claimed that my grill actually had not arrived at the Weber partner yet, that it was somewhere in the Sacramento area, which is about 75 miles away from where I live. So, long story short, as of February 7th, I am still waiting for receipt of my replacement grill. I'm hopeful. Both of them seemed pretty confident that it should arrive at the Weber partner sometime this week. So I'm hopeful that I will receive my grill within the next 7 days. I know that, once Weber ships it out, it's pretty much out of their hands. So, I'm trying to be patient and understanding. I think that they have done a good job based on what I've seen, with other folks receiving their grills. Everyone seems to be really pleased and happy. So I think that they've done a good job. I think in my case, the only criticism I would have is just that I wish Weber had been more proactive about following up on the status of my replacement grill without me having to be the one to initiate the inquiry, because otherwise, who knows how long I would be waiting for anyone to even do any follow-up on the status. That's where I'm at, guys. So hopefully I will receive it within the next week. And when I do, I promise I will do a video, let you guys know what I think about the replacement Weber Summit Kamado grill. So that's all I've got for today. Thanks again for your support, for your interest. Feel free to leave questions, comments about the Summit Kamado, or anything else barbecue related. I love hearing from you guys. If you haven't already, please take the time to subscribe, hit that like button. It does help the channel. This is Kenyatta Robinson. Thanks again. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.